Do you believe your health can actually improve? Hey, in case you don't know me, my name is Jason Cheney, and I help specialize in teaching people how to transition to a plant-based lifestyle, but also how to start working on their mindset around their eating lifestyle also, so they can actually stop worrying about losing weight and start getting to the goals that they want. And for today's Monday Mindset Munchie, I want to talk about, what do you believe in? Like, do you believe that you can actually become healthier? And the reason why I ask this is because most of the time we don't believe that we can improve. We have the belief because we're told from birth and as we're growing up through the stages of society, such as schooling, college, and then we're going into the work field, that the way life is the way it's supposed to be. There's supposed to be some extra outside source that's going to come down and help you. The heavens are going to part open, and then someone's going to finally be like, oh, you deserve a miracle. Oh, I'm going to give you weight loss. I'm going to give you better health. And we don't realize how much control we actually have on it. And it all comes down to what we believe. Our belief is going to actually lead us towards our results. And if you don't have the health results that you want, you may have to start changing your beliefs. And now, if you haven't, if this is new to you, you've never heard of stuff like this before, go through and look at my old video where I break down the success model, where it talks about how you need to have the belief and it helps you go through it. And because most of us don't have this belief, we do have to start hacking that success model. We have to find ways to get the results that we want. And one of the ways that you can do it is you can take the belief of someone else. And so what I mean by this is you go and look for someone who's successful at what you want. So let's say if you're someone who has diabetes and you want to figure out, like, how can I just be a little bit normal? How do I not need to take insulin? How can I just have my blood sugar levels in normal range? Then you need to go look for someone who actually done that, who's accomplished that. Don't go and look at the people who's failed at doing it. And this is where a lot of times we're actually not doing ourselves justice and being able to actually get to the goals that we want. We're looking at the people who weren't successful and like, oh, this is normal. And then the people, when we hear about these people that are successful, we're like, oh, there must be a miracle. Oh, they must be special. And the truth is, the reason why they were able to do it because they went a proven path. If you actually follow people who are getting the results that you want, you'll see they go through a proven path. And if you go through that path also, you're able to get those results just a lot faster. That's the difference. And just to give you an example of how powerful that is, when I was at my highest, and at my highest was 550 plus pounds, I wasn't able to actually get an accurate number because the industrial scale that I used was it broke underneath my weight. Physically, it just said error. And I was like, I want to do yoga. I had a spinal fusion in my L4, L5, S1, S2 back in my back. I have 10 screws there, and I didn't have a good range of motion. I couldn't move well. I was in a lot of pain. And something inside me just kept telling me yoga's the answer, yoga's the answer. But when I kept going to do different yoga programs online, buying videos and things, all of them were tailored towards people, one who was smaller than me, but also they were tailored towards people who had some experience in yoga. And I was a guy from the South, never done yoga in my life, didn't know anything about it. And so I was really self-conscious and I just was uncomfortable. So I never actually did it until I found DDPY yoga. Then I found the video about Arthur. He was a disabled veteran. He was actually on the canes where he couldn't walk. His legs were messed up. He couldn't run anymore. And he was severely overweight. And I saw his transition over the years, and he went from being severely overweight to where he was a normal size. But he went from walking on the crutches to where he was able to run on his own again. Things that the doctors told him that he could never do again, he was able to do. And because I started believing, I took his belief. I was like, if this can work for Arthur, it had to be able to do something for me. And by borrowing his belief, that's how I started doing yoga. That's how I can do a lot of stretches. That's how I can do pigeon pose. That's how I can get into the splits a little. I can do the roundhouse kick. Like all of these different things because I borrowed the belief of Arthur. And you can do the exact same thing. You can borrow the belief of other people if they have the results that you want. So like if you're someone and you're saying, you know what, Jason, I want to be a little bit healthier. I want to learn how to just not take as many prescription pills. I want to just be able to sleep better at night. I just want to be able to get up without less pain. Or I just want to be able to lose a couple of pounds. You can follow a proven system. You can actually just keep watching the videos like you're watching now of me, because I show you the proven path of how I was able to do it. It wasn't a miracle that I was able to go from 550 plus pounds to 235 pounds looking in front of you. It wasn't a miracle that I used to need to walk with a cane and now I can walk 180 plus miles a month, no problem. It's not a miracle that I was using a CPAP machine to breathe at night because I would stop breathing at night. And now I breathe on my own, and I've been doing it for the past 4 years. Those things are not miracles. I actually followed a proven system. I followed a proven path. I discovered a way to get the results that I want. And you can do those things also. And so if you like this type of video, you like learning more about mindset around being healthier, around changing your eating lifestyle, around just getting the goals that you want, because I'm a result-oriented person and it's all about the results, then just hit that like button. And then also make sure you subscribe or follow so that way you can start getting more updates. And make sure you also tune in on Free Coaching Friday, where you can actually ask me questions live and I'll answer them for you here on Facebook. And then if you're someone and you're looking to start transitioning to a healthier lifestyle, you want to just start knowing more about what is a vegan diet? What does a vegan lifestyle look like? Is it something I can do? Because most of us are not aware that we eat vegan-friendly foods each and every day of our lives. But we have this title that we put on it, vegan, like it's something totally different. But it's not. So just click up what I put together for you up in if you look up or below, depending where it is on your screen, is a free ebook that I put together for you. It's the Vegan Warrior ebook. This helps unleash the vegan warrior that is inside of you. And all you have to do is just click the link up above or below, and you can get that video for free also, that book for free also. So hope you have a great Monday. Hope you had a great 4th of July, had a safe 4th of July, had some good barbecue. I ate some chickpea salad here. So that was fun for me. But stay supercharged. Have a great Monday. And also, before we leave, here's an action step for you. Because one of the things that's going to always get you to reach your goals is action. There's nothing else involved. It's going to always take action. If you think about it from this perspective, if you're running a marathon and you're not able to run, but if you just take one step towards that finish line, you're going to eventually finish. Quit focusing on the time and just focus on the accomplishment. Get the results that you want. And so just do that. Just focus on that. And then your action step for today is, what is your belief around your health? Do you believe you can be healthier? Don't answer it in the comments, because this is something very personal. Answer it to yourself. Take the time, just pull out some quiet time for yourself and just ask your question. What is my belief around my health? Do I believe I can become healthier? And just really think about that, because that is a very important question that most of us never ask ourselves. And so start asking yourself that question today so you can start getting the results you want tomorrow. So have a great day, stay supercharged, and I'll see you tomorrow. Ciao.